When will I ever learn? I don't know how to do that. I have to sneeze. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Hominy? Is that what it's called? Ugh. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and it has been a minute. I think a month since I last posted a video. A few things have gone on, all this stuff, but I just want to let you know that I am now planning on posting a video every other week, only because I want to do some more behind the scenes kind of things besides filming a video. But this is gonna give me some time to work on some other things, so yeah, it's kind of like a win-win. You guys still get my videos and you guys get to see some other things that are gonna be coming soon. So today I am making a green pozole with chicken, and I'm super excited about this because I love pozole, and down here Mexican cuisine is really big, but unfortunately at Mexican restaurants a lot of the times they either serve pork pozole, and I don't really like eating pork very often. I do eat it sometimes, but I just prefer not to. And then also they typically serve just menudo, and I do not like menudo. I've tried it many times because my husband's family usually makes it, and it's not for me. So yeah, today we're gonna try pozole, and why not make a delicious soup for the winter months. I hope you guys can make this along with me, and let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also be sure to check out my Instagram. There will be behind the scenes shots and all that. I know, again, I want to say daily stuff, but it just doesn't happen. But hopefully with this every other week, I can get on a schedule better. And yeah, so please go check it out. I post when I go to restaurants and things like that as well. So yeah, gotta roll up my sleeves. That's what's gonna happen here. What are these called? Ominis. Ominis? Or minis? Or ominis? Ominis? Or ominis? It's basically a type of corn. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to open them and rinse them and dump it into a big soup pot. The next thing that I have to do is get this whole chicken and cut it up. I don't know how to do that. So I'm just going to try my best. Just trying my best. Ugh, oh, that's gross. What is that? It has all its innards. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Ugh, that's gross. So gross. Okay. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Ugh. What do we do? Ah! Something came out. Ugh. Ugh, more stuff is coming out. Oh, I'm so sorry. Shh. Ugh. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. This is soap and water. I had to wash my hands because my phone wanted to mess up. Okay, so I'm not gonna go change. I'm taking too much time on this. It should fit. Okay, now I'm going to take my chicken and I'm gonna put it in here, one by one. I need to peel these, and I guess what you do is you put them in 2 bowls and you just shake it. This is not working. Let's try it again. Oh, look at that. Yes. Yay! Okay, there are all my garlics. And now you're just gonna take the 2 garlic heads and put them in there too. Okay, and now I'm just gonna fill the pot up with water and bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 45 to 55 minutes. What always slips my mind is to wear an apron. Ugh, when will I ever learn? Next thing I need to do while this is cooking on my stove is I'm going to prepare my uncooked salsa. I'm just saying that because my tomatillos are not going to be cooked beforehand. Instead, they will be cooked in the soup. 4 cloves of garlic. These ones I'm just going to do the old-fashioned way. Half an onion. Why don't I have a cutting board? I need all my tomatillos. Next are serrano peppers. It says 1 to 2. I accidentally, a while back, like a week ago, ordered way too many jalapenos. I put 1 jalapeno and they gave me 1 pound. So I'm gonna use jalapenos and I'll just do about 2. Now that I have more room, I'm gonna add my jalapenos and my cilantro. And we need to add some salt. I'm still waiting for my pot to reach a boil. It still hasn't gotten to it yet, so I will be back once that is boiled and simmered for 45 minutes. I think my timer is going to go off right now. I am taking my chicken out of the pot and then I'm going to add my salsa to it and let it cook because these are uncooked tomatillos. And then when I put it in, it's going to cook and I'm going to let it simmer for 20 more minutes. I'm also going to try and find all the garlic. I think I found enough. I'm going to add the salsa and I'm going to let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I need to mash up this garlic and put it back. I'm going to shred this chicken up. Ah, that's hot! I should know better. I think I'm going to leave this drumstick. You know, for never cutting a whole chicken before, I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, I've seen people cook up or cut them on cooking shows, but I've never done it myself. So, you know, I kind of had some knowledge of how to cook it, but yeah. I think I did okay. While I'm waiting, I am going to prep all the toppings. First we have cabbage, onion, limes, radishes, and avocados. I kind of burnt my thumb. I was pouring and it fell on my thumb. I am done. I have my bowl of pozole. And you're just gonna top it with these toppings. Ah, my thumb hurts so bad. Okay. Onion. Avocado. Ooh! Alright, I am very excited for this. It smells delicious. It's hot. It could probably use a bit more salt, but that's an easy fix. yeah, I'm super happy about this. This tastes amazing. Just add a bit more salt. I wasn't adding too much salt because I just wasn't sure, because I'm not used to cooking such a large amount. This is just what you need on a cold winter day. The avocado was really good. You're gonna eat it?
What happened?
Yeah, what happened?
Take a bite?
Kaya, go away. Go.
It's a big chip.
It's good.
Happy lager.
What?
Thank
Happy
you.
lager.
Oh, okay. I drink my water. How is it? Cool. Got you. You like it, Lily? Yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. And I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye! Hello? Does it smell good?
Does seem good, actually. Go make a cameo, Nick. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Just staring at it with your blue eyes.
Hello, this is my brother.
Hi.
You don't even know what to say.
Bye. Love you.
Love you.